The Nokia 6.1 Plus comes with Halo notch and Full HD Plus display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with edge-to-edge 5.8-inch screen. The phone is available in blue, black and white. The phone comes with a 6 GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also comes with 64 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 400 GB that lets you store all your pictures, videos and music to access them anywhere on the go. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Nokia 6.1 Plus features a 5.8-notch and Full HD Plus display with high screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space that provides an immersive viewing experience. The phone has a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel rear camera for high-quality pictures and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for capturing all your selfies. Powered by Android V8 Oreo operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon SD636 quad-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. This phone is powered by a 3060 mAh lithium-ion battery with power-saving technologies to further extend battery life. The box includes charger and data cable. The Nokia 6.1 Plus comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.